Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stability of carbanion. The last videos we have discussed what is inductive effect, what is the plus I effect and what is minus I effect, and we have seen the plus I group order and minus I group order. Okay, this video we are going to discuss about stability of carbanion. Now before we getting into the stability of carbanion, we have to remember two statements here. All plus I groups which we have discussed earlier will decreases the stability of carbanions. All minus I groups which we have discussed earlier are going to increase the stability of carbanion. Okay, now let us see one by one how this works out in the case of carbanion. Okay, now let us see these examples over here in this 4. Now this is the first one is the methyl carbanion, second one is the primary carbanion, secondary carbanion and tertiary carbanion. How the plus I group generally decreases the carbanion stability. Okay, now if you see here, R is alkyl group. Alkyl group is generally the plus I group. Okay, it releases the electrons. It is a kind of electron releasing group. Okay, now what's the charge of electrons? It's a negative group. Already the charge on the carbon is negative. By releasing the negative charged electrons towards the carbon over there, what happens? The magnitude of charge increases. If magnitude of charge increases, stability decreases. We know that charge is inversely proportional to stability. That's what, as the number of R groups or plus I groups increases, stability of carbanion decreases. That's what the stability order is going to be. 1 is greater than 2 is greater than 3 and 4. Okay, in this case also the same thing. Okay, we have methyl groups. This is the alkyl group over here, alkyl group. As number of alkyl group increases, what happens? Electron density on the carbanion increases. If magnitude of charge increases, what happens? Stability decreases. That's what that is going to be the same as we have already discussed. That is 1 is greater than 2, 3 and 4. Then now let us see these two over here. Okay, generally we have already discussed in the plus I order. Okay, deuterium has more tendency to donate the electron comparatively with the hydrogen. Okay, that's what this is the more plus I than that of hydrogen. That's what the CH3 minus is more stable than that of CD3 over here. 1 is greater than 2. The second case we have already discussed in the case of what was earlier about in a carbocation stability. There hyperconjugation takes place with the CH3. That's what the when it comes to carbocation, right? That's the first one is the most stable. Okay, we may think that in the carbanion, second one is the most stable because there is no hyperconjugation. Okay, but in the case of carbanion, okay, there is no hyperconjugation takes place. Why it won't takes place means carbanion doesn't have empty orbital to accept the CH sigma electrons over there. That is why there is no hyperconjugation. Then what do we have to consider here? Here we have to consider only inductive effect. When it comes to inductive effect, as we have already discussed, plus I groups generally decreases the stability, right? Since CD3 group is more plus I groups, that's what CH3 group comparatively stabilizes the carbanion than that of the second one over there. That's what 1 is greater than 2. And here the same thing which we have learned is only we are going to apply over here. Now it is sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized and sp hybridized. As this character increases, what happens? Electronegativity increases. As electronegativity increases, the plus I group turns into minus I group. Minus I group generally stabilizes the carbanion over there. That's what the stability order is going to be. 3 is greater than 2 is greater than 1. And here we have already discussed about these examples earlier in the case of carbocation. Okay, it is just the reverse of that one. Now when we see here, generally minus I group stabilizes the carbanion over here. Okay, over here now if you see minus I group order over there, fluorine is greater than chlorine is greater than bromine over there, and the first one doesn't have any minus I groups. Okay, this is the least one. Okay, that's what the stability order is going to be. 2 is greater than, 3 is greater than, 4 is greater than 1. And then the same thing here, we have to find the minus I order which is more minus I group, that is going to be the most stable one over here. Okay, NO2 greater than CN and fluorine absolutely, but and the least one is going to be the fourth one. That's what the stability order is going to be. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we may think why it is happening so. Okay, what happens with the minus I groups? They'll accept the electrons towards themselves. Okay, when electron tends to move towards nitro group over there, what happens? The magnitude of charge decreases. If magnitude of charge decreases, what happens to the stability? Increases. Then let us see these two right now. Now in these two we may think that fluorine is more minus I group. That's what first one is greater than that of second one. Okay, that is absolutely wrong. Over here what happens is that instead of considering only the plus A group and minus A group, here since chlorine has empty 3d orbital, okay, it has capacity to accept the electron, because of which the stability of carbanion takes place over there. Because of the back bonding, the stability of the second one is more than that of first one. The same thing will be applied over here. The second one is greater than the first one. And now in between like two electron withdrawing groups over here, this is an aldehyde group, this is an aldehyde group. Okay, generally if you take consider the minus A order of aldehyde and ketone, okay, aldehyde is more minus A group than that of ketone, absolutely. Like we have already mentioned that minus A group generally stabilizes the carbanion over here. Okay, we have two aldehydes over there, we have one aldehyde, there are no aldehydes over there. Aldehyde is comparatively more minus A group than that of the ketone one. That's what the stability order of the carbanions is going to be. 1 is greater than, 2 is greater than 3. And then the same thing over here, this carbanion is between two electron withdrawing groups, and remaining all are like with one electron withdrawing group. That's what the fourth one is the most stable carbocation over there. And in the case of first one and second one, third one, since the carbanion is like we have already mentioned that inductive effect is a distance dependent effect, the ketone group which we have over here as a minus A group is nearer to the carbanion over there, which stabilizes the carbanion more over there. That's what one. And as distance increases, what happens? Comparatively stability decreases. That's what greater than 2, greater than 3. Then if you see on phenyl ring, right, we have already mentioned there is no mesomeric effect, only inductive effect would be considered. Over here what happens is that it's a distance dependent effect. Minus A group stabilizes the carbanion over there. Now we have fluorine as a minus A group, and its second one is the nearest one. That's what the order is going to be 2, 3, 4 and 1. This is what the stability of carbanion, and the remaining things we will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.